Hey, what's going on, y'all? Jimmy Mackerel. It's time for episode 6 of season 1 of Sons of Anarchy. Let's get to it.
I'll be seeing you.
Hey, you take it easy, brother.
What's that about? What are they trying to pull?
You gotta get me a little wet, baby.
Shit.
Hey, wait a minute. Where you going? How is this my fault?
It's a strange morning. Fine.
Okay.
She's not fine.
Here you go.
Thanks. You look real nice today, Jimmy.
What the fuck?
Thank you, Eddie.
Fireworks outside, so if you hear anything, that's why. Prospect's a fucking moron.
Who is she?
Just a tribe hang around?
Clay hit that tart, didn't he?
I don't really know who Clay's hitting.
To be fair, that was a bad move on Clay's part. Why would you react that poorly?
Get out.
Jump around. Oh, jeez, especially with the morning. Jesus.
Easy, easy. Hey, open the back. Get Ray's son out of the van.
Oh, brother.
Hold it right there.
Jesus.
Preference.
Lady's choice.
Oh, tattoos and chivalry. Delicious combination.
Right into this world.
Yeah. That's a bad look.
It doesn't make me an accessory to murder.
No, but your association with an organized crime syndicate and your rap sheet for gun running flags you as a source of their illegal AK.
That's fair.
Related or otherwise, in over 7 years. I'm a mechanic and a motorcycle enthusiast.
Well, I'll set that up in a couple hours. Look at that, I just saved you $2,400.
She's a...
Jesus.
she is a complete ass. I love her.
What happens on a run stays on a run. It does not show up and slap me in the goddamn face. That does not happen to me.
Oh. She got the menopause?
It's too late for over, man. You know all about us. And we know all about you.
Damn.
Look, only way this relationship works is 2 of us together, or 1 of us dead.
Hey.
I'll be waiting for your call.
I told you like a T.I. is, brother. Aww.
The father I got it free from the prison transport.
Mother's little helpers. Give me my goddamn warrant.
Didn't let that shit roll.
Mrs. Teller, Estrotol doesn't make solution 15 anymore. It's called Menopause Plus now. Same amount of estrogen, same formula. Do the same thing for you.
Shut up. Oh, you poor little dummy.
Skinny ass bitch.
Gemma! Oh, Jesus!
Who are you? Why'd you do that to me?
Aww. That was so pathetic. Who are you? Why'd you do that to me? I just feel so bad for the little dummy. What the fuck?
I didn't tell her to come here!
But she's here!
It's not my fault!
And it's not my pussy!
And that's why I'm single.
Yeah, that's why.
Federal agents! Help me out!
That's just so... Such a cuckold without actually being one.
Step back, boys.
Oh, we got it. It stinks. I don't need to keep seeing people drive.
Cohen's supervisor seems to think he's on vacation in Oregon.
Mm.
Let me know if he stirs anything up with Sam Crow, and keep this inside your khakis.
What a joke.
Oh, Claymore is free to go.
Oh.
What are you doing?
You're staying, so am I.
Very smooth, sir.
No, it doesn't change. The love I got for you.
This is so sweet. In a preposterous kind of way.
I don't think that's your idea. No, because, you know.
Poor prospect.
Well, I love till he dies down. Got some people waiting for us in Mexico.
Mexico. Gonna be running this revolution from Acapulco.
Aww.
You, take care of yourself, friend.
Poor bastard. Not poor bastard, man. Kill the cop and civilians. Wow! Wish you could have seen it though. I know it's a little dark on my part, but. Fuck.
Got this ATF agent harassing us, following me. Showed up here, guy's nuts. Looking for dirt that doesn't exist.
Jesus. Stupid bitch.
You so much as flash a pretty grin at him, I will jam my fist so far up your bony ass, your cup size will go.
Is that how your rack got to be that size?
You'll heal okay.
Yeah. And you?
I'll be fine.
Yes, ma'am.
I like Little Dummy, I ain't gonna lie to you. That's just such a fucking creep. Alright, that was episode 6, season 1 of Sons of Anarchy. Where to begin? That was a fine episode. I've been a huge fan of the last 2 in particular, but they've been alright. Had some fun character moments. Gemma taking kind of got to see a different side of her this episode as she goes through menopause at 51 years of age, drying up, so to speak. You gotta imagine she's feeling insecure about all that. Hormones raging, and then here comes Little Dummy. To be fair, you know I like Clay. I like Clay a lot. That's the worst way you could have handled it, by yelling at her. Like, just relax. Play it cool for half a fucking second. Maybe leave. Grab her and yell at her, like, get out of here. Like, you've made the spot hot. I guess another way would be not to bang her, but we don't have time for those types of solutions. I feel like we're building towards something big because the Sons of Anarchy continue to find themselves in more and more financial straits, which is leading to other problems. The stuff with the IRA. The guns not getting bought now because they were used to kill a cop and civilians. Obviously we have, I'm gonna get his name eventually, ATF agent, I call him Dutch from the Shield. Up their ass, and now we got this new motherfucker coming in. I was gonna call her Big Dick McGee. I gotta be honest. I don't exactly know what time the show came out. However, as much as I enjoy that archetype of like badass female agent who is both sexually and verbally, I don't want to say aggressive, but yeah, about it. Because I enjoy that archetype, I have seen it quite a lot. This being the latest. There was a character on Justified who almost looks identical to this character. I got her name. Carol Johnson? Black Pike? Hey, you know, you've seen that character. Well, who knows? She might have some depth to her. I'm not entirely certain. But the good thing is she's on the shit. She actually called his boss, Duchess that is, and knows he is not working on official police business. He scares me more than a little bit. He is not stable, and I fucking wish that Tara would tell somebody. Not entirely sure who. Because if you tell Jax, we're gonna have an issue. A bigger issue. If you tell Gemma, even though you guys are the bestest of friends, but you guys seem to found some type of understanding. If you tell Gemma, she is going to tell Clay. She has to. And you may also have an issue. Jesus, she is a rough spot. Make sure the gun's loaded at all times. He is going to be an issue. Him looking at the baby it's such a frightening thing. Him tearing the room, that's just petty. But the baby thing, that's scary. Why? Little Dummy, which will be her name until I get it down. Getting with Prospect, who should be Little Dummy, but I didn't come up with it in time. That could be fun for a little bit. Though he seems like he isn't the brightest bulb in the drawer. That's gonna be a fucking problem. Anything else? I really like Jax. I like Jax a lot. As a matter of fact, him threatening the brother, the sheriff, is one of my favorite scenes from the show. Not nearly close to Agent Elvis, but fun nevertheless. It was so threatening, but without being threatening. This is quite simply the way it is. There's certain ways that this goes, and this is it. Sorry, bro. Two of us together, one of us dead. Awesome. Anyway, post your comments down below. Like, share, subscribe.